Hey everybody, welcome back to Shop Talk Fabrication. So today I'm fixing a problem with my air compressor. So I've been running these cheap Harbor Freight hoses to connect my air compressor to my line, and basically this thing, leaks air like a sieve. You get a good one, you get a bad one. The hose over time, right, just goes to crap after a year or two, and you always get another one. So I am done screwing around with having air leaks because of this. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing to fix this. Let me undo the camera here and flip it around so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so previously what I did is I had this connected directly to the tank. I did not have a ball check valve in place here. I had this end here and I had that end connected right there. And so what I've done is I bought a ball valve, put it in, so now I can turn my air on or off right at the compressor tank. I've installed a quick disconnect here now, so if I want to pull my compressor out of the way, I can. Or if I want to extend it out for some crazy reason, I can, because I've got wheels on it and I can roll it. But now the other end I still have connected to my black pipe, and I use this black pipe to kind of cool the air down. And then you can see I've got a moisture trap here, and I've got another ball valve right there where I can turn it off as well. So now I've got two ball valves in place, and then you can see I've got a three-prong quick disconnect, and I can control the air pressure. So that's the mods that I made to my compressor to get rid of this cheap Harbor Freight hose, which basically at that end right there, because that is a swivel, would leak air all the time. So this swivel, this one was leaking all the time. These hoses are just cheap ass hoses. They break real easy, or crack, I should say, over time real easy. And I decided to get away from that setup to where now I've got a good hose here connected. Like I said, I got a quick disconnect now. I've got a ball valve here where I can turn my air off if I need to and disconnect it if I want to. And then, like I said, I've got that ball valve there as well. So that's what I did to improve my air compressor setup. And now we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. So guys, I hope this little video helps you out with an idea that you can do your air compressor and do a quick disconnect. Move your compressor around the shop if you need to, so you can do your cleaning. An idea to swap something out real quick if you need to. So I hope this little trick helps you. I've got a bunch of other shop tricks that I'm starting to put into a folder in the YouTube channel. I think I call it Garage Tricks and Tips or something like that. So you can go in there and see a bunch of them. I hope this helps you guys out with this little thought, or maybe it spurs another idea for your shop. Let me know if you like what I'm doing. Please drop comments in, maybe some other stuff you want to know, or some better ideas that you guys have come across. So anyway, thanks for watching. As they say, like, subscribe, hit the little bell for future content. And you guys have a great day. Get out your shop, have some fun, and take care.